Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to appeal for a active community guideline strike. So here you can see right under channel violations I have this active community guideline strike as a warning, and here it shows the video name and it has been removed. So you'll be having this take action button over here. Simply click on that, and this is the video that has been removed. I just gave a tutorial on how to download and install AutoCAD, which is a software, by using student version in Windows. So the reason why YouTube has removed this video is because it has misunderstood that I downloaded this particular software from a pirated or a third party site. Here you can see right, it has said how to get unauthorized or free access to audio or audio visual content software that requires payment. So the fact is this particular software is a paid software, but this software is free for students. So basically if you have a student ID, you can download this software for free if you submit the necessary proofs like your ID card and stuff. And that's what I have showed in this video. I only used the official website over here, the AutoCAD, and I just submitted everything. I never showed any pirated or third party stuff. And this video was going fine. I think I uploaded this video before like an year ago and I didn't get any issues, but suddenly out of nowhere I'm getting this issue, whereas I didn't do anything harm. I just used the official site, used the student ID, followed all the policies, and it is giving me this error. And this issue could vary from person to person, like you may be getting a different reason for this community guidelines strike. So just click on take action, and here we will be having two things. One is submitting our appeal, and next is we are having take training. So just click on take training over here, and it will ask us 7 questions and 15 minutes. Make sure that you are reading everything over here and click on next, and it will ask you like each questions. So this is the policy information. You can simply like read it through and answer it, or you can use like chat GPT. You can simply copy paste everything and get it answered, but I would recommend you to read everything so that you know what to upload in the future also. So just mark the answer and click on check. So once you click on the answer and click on check, it will show you if it is right. Just do the same for all the 7 questions. Once you are done with answering the 7 questions, you will be getting this nice work. You have completed the training. You can just click on close training. Okay, this is done. And next is the main thing, we need to like submit an appeal. So this is the thing, okay, appeal the decision. If you think we made a mistake, you can appeal. We will take a look at your content. So what basically this thing does is, if you really feel your video didn't violate any YouTube policies, like in my case I didn't violate anything, you can leave a comment over here and you can click on submit appeal. So for that I'm having here a text like this. This is going to be my appeal message. So here I have simply said this, okay, hello YouTube team, I have received this community guideline strike for my video saying I am using unauthorized access, but just mention the reason at first, okay, what's contradicting with YouTube's point of view. I want to clarify that this version of AutoCAD showed is not a cracked or a pirated. It is downloaded from the official site by using the student IDs. I have showed all the policies, like all the steps, eligibility that is required for a student version from the official site. So that's the main thing that I am stating over here. I didn't use a third party or anything. All of this is legal and official from Autodesk side. And next I have give some like attachments. So these are some of the websites links that I found. So I've given this a proof, and next I have followed all the eligibility and verification stuffs. My video is meant to help the students and it's not promoting or pirating anything. So this strike is due to a misunderstanding. I kindly request you to remove the community guideline strike and reinstate my video. So I'm just asking them to like remove the strike. This is a mistake from their end, and yep, best regards. That's it. Another important thing, it only takes in 800 characters. So make sure that you are, rephrasing. If you put over 800, make sure that you just rephrase and make it come between 800 characters like this, okay? So once you are done putting it over here, just click on submit appeal, and it says we are reviewing your appeal. Thanks for your input. We will send an email when our review is done, generally within 72 hours, okay? So just click on dismiss.